Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Options Traders Today. So आपको पता है कि Mindspace Business Park REIT IPO has been coming, जिसकी डेट है 27 जुलाई to 29 July 2020. So today I will explain you and tell you the review of the IPO, so that if you wanna take the IPO then you can take it, otherwise I will review this in my video today. So let's get started with the video. So if somebody knows about REIT, what is REIT, then it's good, or you can skip that part. But those who don't know, I'll tell you what is REIT. REIT is Real Estate Investment Trust. Real Estate Investment Trust is like a mutual fund. As you know that all people like a sponsor, trustee and fund managers are there. What do they gather money from? Investors, and put it in debt or equity, whatever, in the mutual funds. Okay, in the same way REIT is also the same. What they do is they collect money from investors and retailers and invest in commercial real estates mostly. Okay, so how it works, I'll tell you. REIT, what it do is it collects its fund from the retail investors or those who are willing to invest. Okay, and then just like mutual fund, and the REIT invest in commercial spaces. Okay, and then earn the profit by the way of lease and rent, and the 90% of profit is shared with investors and retailers. So how it works, it is they have to share 90% of the profit with the investors. Okay, so जो REIT स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पर लिस्टेड होते हैं, those REITs who are registered on the stock exchange are very liquid, so that you can exchange your REIT and as per how this REIT earns. They earn through rent and lease, plus the value of the property increases, and this is what REIT holders get a benefit of it, and 90% of the profit of REIT will be shared with the investors. And the main thing is that it is very liquid, as it is registered with the stock exchange, and this is what is very important thing. So now let's talk about the Mindspace IPO. So it is open for 27 July, 28th and 29th 2020, and the issue size is 4,500 crores, and in this 3,500 crores is offer for sale. Those investors who have invested in this REIT is selling their 3,500 crores of investment. Raheja Corp and Blackstone are selling 3,500 of their holdings, while the 1,000 crore of unit is fresh opened by the Mindspace. So this IPO is more of a sale rather than an IPO, but 1,000 crores of fresh IPO which been issued by Mindspace, it will reduce their debts, and so the offer price for this is, the offer price will be at 274 or 275, and what is the minimum quantity you can buy is 200 units, and the multiply of 200. So the total investment you will be requiring is, so the minimum investment required is 54,800 for this IPO. and if you are bidding by 275, so the minimum investment will be 55,000. In this IPO, the 75% is reserved for institutional investors, while 25% is reserved for retail investors. So Government of Singapore, Numora, Fidelity Investment, HSBC and Morgan Stanley are few which are investing in this IPO. So if we talk about the debt, after the listing, the Mindspace debt will be around 4,000 crores after the listing. So let's talk about the profitability of the Mindspace. So the profit of Mindspace in 2017 is 232 around crore, while in 2018 it is 161, while in 2019 it is 515, and in 2020 is 514. So this is the profit which is coming after 2017 to 2020. If you want to talk about the total revenue, the companies earn 68% revenue from rental income, while 16% from facility management, 12% from contract work and 4% others. The company earned through these from these sources. If we talk about the properties they have, different cities, they have around 2.95 crore square feet of area, leasable area, which is located in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai and Pune. The company already have 92% occupied area by 180 clients, which is some 500 Fortune company with the top of the companies which are their clients. So what is the main focus is that why we should invest in this IPO is that it mostly invest in technology. Most of the company which are in the lease of this is in technology and service sector. As we know that the service sector and technology sector will increase by 11.3%, while technology sector will increase by 11.3% and services by around 8.7%. As we know that the most of the companies that are startup today are technologically based, and 55% of the market share is held by this company. So I feel, and the client base is also very good, so I feel it is and in May 2020 they got 95% of their rental income. Mindspace REIT से पहले Embassy का IPO has come. So I will show you how the Embassy has performed all these years. That time the investment and the 300 price pay it was issued, but the investment was around 2,40,000. But nowadays SEBI has reduced it to minimum 50,000. In 50,000 you can invest. Before you have to invest 2,40,000. The Embassy have issued 1882 crores of dividend this 2020. That is around 24.39 rupees dividend, which is a very good return. If you calculate its dividend yield, it comes to around 6.68, which is a very good return. So this is what my view on Mindspace IPO. So if you like what I have shared in this video, please like the video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and if you want you get my notification of my new videos, please press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification of my new videos. Thank you.